Hey O'Connor staff, I am going to give you some information today so that you can effectively transfer over your courses in Canvas into a master shell so that they don't poof, go away and land in the world of oblivion to where you have no longer access to them. So I know you've been doing a lot of hard work on your courses all year long, so I'm going to show you here on my computer how to do this. Okay, some of you came during the Prep Connect today, which is awesome, so you are already done. But in case if you forget or you add content like we talked about and you want to do this again, here's a little review. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go into your dashboard, okay, and you're going to scroll down here where it says start a new course. Okay, so you're going to click that and you're going to type in the name. So I'm going to do a Master ELA 7-8 course. Okay, and mine only popped up there because I've done this a few times. Okay, so you're going to click create course, and what it's going to do is going to pull up a shell, but there's nothing in here yet. So I need to pull all of the files and modules and pages and whatnot that I've been working on. Now, some of you might have a year-long class, but you want to keep your courses distinct by semester. Okay, so that's fine. You will just create a Master ELA Fall, a Master ELA Spring, okay, or a Bio Fall, Bio Spring. If in the spring after December you imported all your content from first semester into your second semester course, then you would just have one course for the whole year. It's completely your own preference. If you don't want second semester, if you don't need them to access files and documents and whatnot from first semester, then keep them separate, but you're going to have to then do this 2 times, okay? So because mine's a year-long course, I want them to access all the course year-round. I just made 1, all right? So once you're here to this main page, you're going to go down here and click Settings, okay? And you are going to go over here where it says import content into this course. All right, so I'm going to click right here and you're going to copy a Canvas course. You can put a course onto a flash drive if you so choose to do that. This is just way easier. Another option I do want to let you know is copying your course, the whole course, into Commons and then downloading it from there. You can do that as well, but I just find this way the best. Okay, so you're going to copy a Canvas course. Now for all of you, when you do this, there's going to be in this bar right here a little pull down of your courses. Mine's a little bit different because I have access to all the courses, so I just have to type in my last name. And make sure you pick the right year. Again, yours will look a little different here, but I'm going to pick, make sure you do 2015, 2016. And again, we'll check this at the end to make sure everything is there, just in case. But I don't want to do fall because I want to pull from my spring course. So here I have semester 2, 7-8. Okay, this is where I'm going to pull from. You click all content and then click import. If you want to adjust dates, you're going to do that when your shell pops up. In fact, some of you might even want to go in and unpublish later units because you don't want the kids to have access to them. Whereas if you were building all semester long, you just kept adding those modules and it was right on track because that's where you were. So just make sure to go in and unpublish anything that you don't want the students to see. In fact, I think it might even automatically come in as unpublished. I'm not sure. We'll look, actually. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So I'm just going to pause it. All right, so my course is now completed. Took a little bit longer. Okay, so I'm going to go back here to the home page and hopefully, fingers crossed, everything's there. Okay, it is. And notice the course is not published yet, so I'm going to leave it unpublished, but everything is here that I want to be here for the whole year, so I know that it transferred over correctly. Now, because it's we're in the middle of April right now, and I'm going to add stuff to this class. There's a couple ways that you can do it. You could go in to whatever the quiz or the unit or the module, okay, and save it into, let's say like here, final exam. I want to go in here and let's say I add some stuff in here. All right, I can go share this to Commons and now, pretend I'm not in my master course. I'm in the course that I'm still using all year long. I share it to Commons, and then I come back to my master class and import it in that way. Some people have said they're really not going to add that much. So they're fine with that. Or what you could do is go in, okay, let me show you this, go into settings, and what you would do is just permanently delete this master. I know I'm in my master course. And then do the process over again at the end, or maybe put it in your calendar. I know a couple teachers are going to put this into their calendar to do it in the end of May. But as we know, end of the school year gets really crazy, and you might forget, and then come summer, your class is expired, and that's not good either. Okay, so it's up to you on what you want to do there. Okay, so just to check, so if I go here, back here, all right, so if I go back here to my dashboard, my master class that I just created, ELA 7-8, isn't there. It's because I didn't start. So if I go under here to courses and I click all courses, all my courses will pop up. Okay, so I have to go find it. I've created this master class a couple times for teaching purposes. So here it is. If I start it, okay, then it'll show back on that page. But just check to make sure that everything is in there, and you should be good to go. So if you have any questions or you need some assistance with this, just let me know, but hopefully this video will help. All right, have a great day. Have a great rest of your year, guys.